Hey there, Joel here and welcome to my channel. In part 1 video, we have already seen the condition for a pair of linear equations. But how do I remember all these conditions? Do I literally have to write and practice and by heart them? Or is there a simpler technique? So all you have to do is imagine these lines. These are intersecting. These two are coincident and these are parallel. Now when the lines are coincident, that means the line is exactly on top of each other, which means every point on the first line is equal to every point on the second line. I repeat, every point on the first line is equal to every point on the second line. So simple, all I have to put is equal signs. So a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. Over here, this has no solution. Lines are parallel. Parallel is somewhat like an equal to sign, and there's no solution. No solution. And over here, these are intersecting. So I can already see an intersection, so I'll just put a condition. Only for intersecting line, we are more bothered about a1 upon a2 and b1 upon b2. So I'll repeat once again. Whenever the lines are coincident, every point on the first line is equal to every point on the second line. So equal to in both the places. Over here, it is no solution, which means lines are parallel lines, and there is no solution. So I'll cancel it. Intersecting, already over here. So if you can see, intersecting lines, coincident lines, and parallel lines, which is also called as a unique solution, which means you will get only one solution. Infinitely many solutions. Since the points are exactly on top of each other, I will get a number of solutions for it. And no solution, because these lines are not going to meet each other. Okay, let us take one problem. This problem was asked in 2019 Goa board math paper, and the question is like this. The following is a pair of linear equation in two variables. So I have one equation over here, second one over here. Now what are they asking you? Write down the condition for infinitely many solution. That's the first part. And second part is find the value of k. Okay. So whenever you're writing the answer for this question, first of all, you need to write down the condition. So infinitely many solution. If you think back, infinite many solution, which means the lines are exactly on top of each other, which means the first point is exactly equal to the second point. So I will put an equal to sign here and an equal to sign over here. This is the first part of the question, but this condition what we have written is in respect to the general equation. I hope you remember the general equation. It was ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Now look at this equation over here. Is this in the general form? Is this equation in the general form? It is 2x plus 3y plus c is equal to 0, but there's no plus c, which means I'll have to move this number on this side. Then only it will become in the general form. Similarly, so I have k plus 1 in a bracket. Imagine this, that you are given a gift and it's nicely wrapped and packed properly. Now in this case, you don't know what exactly is inside the gift box, whether there is a phone or whether there is a phone plus Bluetooth headsets, you don't know because the gift is not open until you open it. Similarly, think this as a gift box. There are two gifts inside, but I can't see unless I open it. Keep this thing in mind. Okay, so here I have another one that is 2k minus 1 in the bracket y and 4k plus 1. Now, whenever this is not in the general form, so I have to take 4k plus 1 on the other side of equal to. Keep this thing in mind now. So here, if I write this in the general form, it will be 2 upon that gift k plus 1, 3 upon 2k minus 1, and here because I had transposed that 7 on the other side of equal to, there will be a minus sign that's coming in. Similarly, that 4k plus 1 was a gift, right? So you are getting the entire gift on the other side. So there's a minus sign. Don't take the numbers individually because you'll end up making a mistake with the signs. So take that in bracket with a minus sign. Okay, so since it is infinitely many solution, I'll put equal to sign here and an equal to sign here. This entire thing, if you do correctly, you will get 1 mark for the exam. Second, I have to find out the value of k. So what I've done is, since this is equivalent, I have just taken this part, which is 2 upon k plus 1 is equal to 3 upon 2k minus 1, and cross multiplied it. So when I'm cross multiplying, this would be 2, which was on top, multiplied by 2k minus 1 together. So 2 into 2k minus 1 is equal to 3 multiplied by k plus 1. Now whenever you are expanding, so now I'm opening that gift. Now whatever is outside needs to be multiplied. After multiplying, the general idea when you're solving an equation is getting the same terms on one side and the rest of the terms on the other side. So I've kept 4k over here. This 3k, which was positive, when it goes on the other side of equal to, becomes negative. So minus 3k, and 3 will remain as it is. This minus 2 on the other side will become plus 2. So once I solve that, what I will get is 4k minus 3k is equal to 1k, and 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So therefore, the value of k is 5. If you do all this, you will get another 1 mark. So for the board exam, this question is asked for 2 marks. 1 mark for the first part of it and 1 mark for the second. Now, could you try this out? You can pause the video and solve this equation and see if you're getting the right answer. Come on, pause this and try it out. And in case you have understood whatever is taught till now, since you have paused the video, do press the like button and the subscribe button as well. I hope you have tried this problem, and let us check. So we were looking out for unique solution. Unique as in the lines will intersect only at one point. So we are just bothered about the A1 upon A2 and B1 upon B2, which will be not equal. Okay, so writing it in with respect to the equations that were given to us, I'll write 3 upon 2k minus 1, and here there's nothing over here, which means 1. So 1 upon k minus 1. Now to find the value of k, let us solve that. I'll remove this paper from here. Okay, so all I will do is I'll continue Don't bother and worry about this sign. I know this is the first time you're solving a problem where not equal is then still have to continue. It's fine. Just don't bother. Consider it as an equal to sign only and continue the problem. So this will become 3 into k minus 1 multiplied on the other side. 1 will remain as it is and 2k minus 1 will be multiplied. So after doing this multiplication, 3 into k is 3k and minus 3, 2k minus 1. Same terms on the one side, so 3k will remain as it is. 2k, which is positive, goes on the other side, becomes negative, and 3, which was negative, becomes positive over here. Minus 1 will remain as it is, and I'll get k is not equal to 2, which means my final answer will be k takes all values except 2. Okay, and for your practice you can try this problem, this one, and this one. This is slightly different, but you can give it a try. In the next video, when I continue with the portion, we will try and solve this one. Whoever gives me the answer for both these problems and this one, if you can try, and send it to my email ID with a picture, I will definitely tell your name in my next video. So I will be waiting for your answer. The email ID is in the description box. Just click for more information and you will get the email ID. Thank you very much for tuning in the channel, and if you like my work, again, please smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Bye bye.